Hi, this is the voice of Adetunji Balagade. This video, this short video is to teach you how to select your games by yourself on Sportybet. Nowadays, Sportybet are getting smarter. Once we create some booking codes and I share with you, before you know it, they will have changed the selections in the booking code. Sometimes when I give 1.5 goals, they will have changed it to maybe over 2.5 goals, and vice versa. So it's better you know how to select your own game yourself from your Sportybet account. So I'm using this the mobile as an example. Now let's assume that for our over 1.5 goals, there are 3 matches. Now the game for tomorrow, let's assume I've not been given the game for. Let's assume that the games that we're giving is Liverpool Sheffield, Derby Barnsley, and Swansea Charlton. So what do you need to do? You have to search for each of those games. Come to the top. Look at beside this beside register/login, this red highlight here, just before the register/login. So click on that circular wherever there. So it is the search option there. So once you click on it, you're able to search. So inside the box there, just click on it and type whatever you want to type. So let's say I tap Liverpool. I may not finish typing itself. I'll just type. So it will now bring some results. You can see that there are many Liverpool that is returning here. So you need to be sure of the Liverpool you are looking for. The match for tomorrow is Liverpool Sheffield, and the date is January 2nd. So be careful of the date and the match. Once you identify the genuine, which in this case is the first one on the list, just click on it. By the time you click on it, it's now time for you to select the option that you were given. And the option that we are given in that scenario is over 1.5 goals. I'm using that over 1.5 as an example. So once it loads, you now scroll up. You are looking for where they write over 1.5 goals. So where you are looking for is this O/U. Let me put it at the topmost. Okay, the one at the topmost there, O/U. That is over/under. And what did they give us there? Look at to the left hand side of the column there. You see 0.5, 1.5, 2. So the one they said we should select is over 1.5. So this is the second line there is 1.5, and the over is the one that I just click here. So that is over 1.5 for Liverpool Sheffield. You have selected that, fine. Now go back, you scroll up again to click on the search section. The search is just before the register/login if you have not logged in yet. So that's circular icon there. Click on it. So like I said, we are assuming that the 3 matches they give us is the Liverpool versus Sheffield. The second one is Derby versus Barnsley. So let me put Derby there as Derby country. So I type it there, Derby. So it's going to bring games that are related to Derby. So thank God the first one that it brought down, Derby County/Barnsley, and the 2nd of January. So you click on it. Once you click on it, you scroll to look for the 1.5. And like I told you that the 1.5 is always under the section O/U. That's over/under. So you can see it here again, O/U. So 1.5, this is the 1.5, that's the second on the column there. So the one that is over for it is 1.25. That is what we have just selected. You scroll back to the top, you click on the search icon. So we said we assume that the other team is Swansea versus Charlton. Yeah. So you look for it. Swansea Charlton is correct. The date is January 2nd is correct. So you click on it. So the member area. Inside the box, I always put the games that we are given for the day. So that's where you get to get the games for the day. So I just click on Swansea Charlton. I scroll up to go and look for over 1.5 for it. And I said I'll find it under O/U. That's over/under. So 1.5, I click on it. That's the over 1.5 for it. Now, all the 3 matches I selected have been added to my bet slip. If I scroll up, you will see by the bottom right hand side of my phone, you can see bet slip 3. It means that all the 3 matches I said has been added there. So I just click on the bet slip, which have the 3 there. So once I click on it, I'll be able to see the games. You can see Liverpool. If you want to remember, that's where you click on the X by the left hand side. want to remove any of the matches, but you are not to remove any of them because that's what you want to select. You can see all the three have been selected. You can see the total odd is 1.81. Total stake, that is in naira. So you now put the amount you want to stake. Click on that box corresponding to the total stake, to the right hand side of the total stake. Click on it. You can clear off the amount that is there before. So what amount are you putting? That is what you are putting. When we are starting a rollover, we say we are using 10% of our capital. So let's assume that your capital is 100,000 naira to start. Then you'll be staking on 10,000 naira to start if your capital is 100,000 naira. And I always give instruction on each day. So if we win this one for the day, then by the next day, what I will say is that stake with the total amount you won yesterday. You understand? So anyway, that's not the contention, important of the. So this is how to select the game. You put the amount you want to play, then you click on done to input that one there. It has inputted in the what's it called, in the amount you want to stake. The amount you want to stake has been inputted. So what is next thing? Just click on place bet. I've not logged into this account because this is not the device I use the account on. This is another device entirely. So I don't even want to log in. I don't even want to log in myself. I don't want to compromise my login. So I didn't have login. All I'll need to do is just click on place bet. Once I click on place bet, instead of it coming here, it will not come here. It will just tell me that it will ask me to confirm. I'll confirm and click OK. Bam. They will deduct the money from our account and the bet has been placed. If at the end of the day the bet wins, then the money deducted from my account plus the profit will return back to my account. And by the next day, if you want to stake, if you have won the first day, the instruction will be that you should stake all the amount of money you won on the first day. Let's assume that this one